Why do you keep saying, "I'll do it tomorrow," even when you know it's important? It's not because you're lazy or unmotivated. Your brain is wired to avoid pain and discomfort, and procrastination is its way of protecting you. Procrastination is an emotional problem disguised as a productivity issue. According to psychologist Dr. Tim Pychyl, we procrastinate to escape feelings like fear, anxiety, or self-doubt. This is called time inconsistency. Our brain wants immediate relief, so it chooses distractions over long-term goals. Here's how to beat it. 1. The 2-minute rule. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, says if a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it now, or use 2 minutes just to start it. Getting started breaks the barrier. 2. The 5-minute start rule. Commit to working for just 5 minutes. Studies show this tiny commitment makes it easier to keep going. 3. Break it down. If a task feels overwhelming, break it into tiny steps. Instead of write essay, try write first sentence. 4. Reframe your fear. Perfectionism often hides as procrastination. Remember Voltaire's wisdom, perfect is the enemy of good. Focus on progress, not perfection. You're not lazy, you're human. Use these psychology-backed tools to hack your brain and stop procrastinating for good.